I'm Bryan Kennedy for BioBuzz Networks. We are filming live from CIC Vendor Showcase here in Philadelphia in the heart of UCD Square. Today, 30 plus vendors will showcase their technologies and services to help companies grow and innovate. I'm fortunate enough to be joined by Kalliopi. Can you please give us some information about yourself?
Yes. So hi, I am Kalliopi. I'm an applications development scientist for Zeiss microscopy, and we have created an incredible Zeiss microscopy solution center here at CIC that brings imaging equipment to startup companies to use to further their research.
So we'll start. What does the company do?
Oh, so who is Zeiss microscopy? So we're a microscopy company. We have a lot of other segments as well, but this company started focused on microscopy 180 odd years ago in East Germany. So we have a variety of products from optics, glasses, and semiconductor lithography components to high-end advanced microscopes for biological research. I am part of the microscopy division of the company, and here at CIC we are providing the high-end microscopes at the Microscopy Solution Center.
And how are they able to access that? Or is it other people, or is it, how does that work?
Oh, that's a great question. So the CIC tenants have free access to these microscopes, which is actually quite a unique feature that Zeiss and CIC are bringing to them. So this is very high-end equipment that usually startups do not have access to. So it's free for the CIC residents, and we also aim to make it available to startups outside the CIC in the future.
And how do these tools help local small biotech companies?
So a lot of biotech companies are focused on targeted drug therapies. They're focused on genome editing, gene therapies, drug studies, and drug development. And all of these things are coming to a singular point of the cell or the tissue they are trying to treat in medicine. So microscopes allow you to visualize the cell in the tissue, and it allows you to get very good understanding of what your drug is doing or what your gene therapy is doing before you actually go to a clinical trial and you spend an exorbitant amount of money. So it really can help you kind of hone in your drug's efficiency and your therapy's efficiency before you reach clinical trials.
And why did you guys choose CIC and here Philadelphia and UCD Square?
So Philadelphia, UCD Square, had NCIC. They have a booming biotech and biopharma community. So we are very interested in supporting this community and in helping the companies grow faster and accelerate this growth by supplying them with the microscopy resources that would really help them be more successful and be more successful faster. So that is our commitment to the community.
And you're living in the Boston ecosystem, which is the leader right now. What are things in Boston that you see, are really collaborative that could be replicated here in Philadelphia?
So, the CIC obviously has a representation in Cambridge as well. And I believe a lot of the collaborative and networking activities are carried over here. I think events like this one with the full vendor event, where all the vendors come, it's very helpful. Maybe what could be an additional feature could be creating focus groups where companies with similar interests can not only network, but also get more advanced knowledge in topics that they are interested in.
So you guys just opened your lab here. What do you see the next year looking like for you guys in Philadelphia?
So I can tell you where we are at. So as you mentioned yourself, I am based out of Boston. So we are looking to bring in a new applications development scientist who will be based here in Philadelphia out of the Microscopy Solution Center. And they will be able to support the users even more closely than I can. So that is definitely item number one, right? And the other target that we have for the new year is we want to see the community of CIC and the wider community of Philadelphia to use more microscopy in their work, and to see how to see how this helps their work be more efficient and beat up faster.
Awesome. Well, I really appreciate you being here today. We're grateful to CIC and UC Square for sponsoring this phenomenal event. We're also thankful to Persephone Bio Partners for sponsoring the interviews. I'm Bryan Kennedy from BioBuzz, and thank you for hanging out with us.